world of cryptocurrency continues to evolve, introducing groundbreaking innovations that reshape our understanding of money and finance. Among these emerging digital currencies, Trump dollars have become a hot topic, blending the worlds of politics and blockchain technology. This new form of cryptocurrency is being heralded as a potential revolution in how we perceive financial systems, investments, and political endorsements. But what exactly are Trump dollars, and how do they fit into the ever-expanding crypto landscape? In this guide, we delve deep into the foundations of Trump dollars, their unique features, and their potential impact on both the financial and political arenas. What makes Trump dollars unique in the crypto space? Trump dollars stand out in the crowded cryptocurrency market due to their distinct branding and underlying purpose. Unlike generic cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin or Ethereum, Trump dollars are specifically designed to represent a unique combination of financial utility and ideological alignment. They are backed by a dedicated blockchain network, ensuring transparency and security while promoting the values associated with their branding. This crypto asset leverages decentralized finance, DeFi technologies, offering users lower transaction fees, fast processing times, and enhanced accessibility. What makes them truly unique, however, is their ability to serve as a symbol of political and economic ideology, potentially creating a financial system that resonates with specific groups of users. The blockchain foundation of Trump dollars. At the core of Trump dollars lies a robust blockchain infrastructure, the backbone of their existence. Built on a decentralized ledger, the blockchain ensures that all transactions are secure, transparent, and immutable. This infrastructure allows for peer-to-peer transactions without the need for intermediaries, reducing costs and increasing efficiency. Trump dollars utilize a proof-of-stake (POS) consensus mechanism, which is more energy efficient compared to traditional proof-of-work (POW) systems used by Bitcoin. This ensures scalability and sustainability, making Trump dollars suitable for widespread adoption. Furthermore, the blockchain's programmability enables the integration of smart contracts, which automate processes like token issuance, distribution, and governance. The role of smart contracts in Trump dollars. Smart contracts play a pivotal role in the functionality of Trump dollars, enabling seamless and automated transactions. These self-executing contracts are coded directly onto the blockchain and operate without the need for third-party oversight. For Trump dollars, smart contracts manage everything from user rewards and token staking to compliance with regulatory frameworks. For instance, they can ensure that specific conditions are met before a transaction is finalized, such as verifying user credentials or monitoring real-time market prices. This automation not only enhances security, but also minimizes the risk of fraud or manipulation. Additionally, smart contracts support decentralized applications, DApps, built within the Trump dollar ecosystem, paving the way for innovative use cases such as crowdfunding, decentralized voting, and tokenized assets. By combining blockchain technology with smart contracts, Trump dollars are positioned as a cutting-edge cryptocurrency capable of addressing modern financial challenges while offering unique opportunities for political and economic engagement. The vision behind Trump dollars. The creation of Trump dollars is rooted in a broader vision of redefining the intersection between politics and finance. This cryptocurrency aims to empower individuals who align with specific ideologies or political movements, offering them a means of financial engagement that reflects their values. Unlike traditional currencies, which are controlled by centralized authorities, Trump dollars emphasize decentralization, giving users greater control over their assets. The vision extends beyond mere transactions. It seeks to create a financial ecosystem where individuals can support causes, fund campaigns, or even participate in decentralized decision-making processes. By embedding political ideology into its foundation, Trump dollars aspire to become more than just a digital currency. They aim to be a tool for socio-economic transformation. How Trump dollars impact the global economy. The emergence of Trump dollars introduces a new dynamic to the global economic landscape. As a cryptocurrency, it challenges the dominance of fiat currencies by offering an alternative means of exchange and store of value. However, its influence extends beyond traditional financial systems. Trump dollars have the potential to foster economic inclusivity by enabling participation in global markets without the need for traditional banking infrastructure. Moreover, their integration into cross-border transactions can reduce the reliance on centralized banking systems, thereby minimizing transfer fees and processing delays. The geopolitical implications are significant as well, as Trump dollars could serve as a financial instrument for strengthening ideological alliances or creating new economic blocs. Their success could inspire the development of similar politically themed cryptocurrencies, further diversifying the global financial ecosystem. The utility of Trump dollars in everyday transactions. One of the key aspects of Trump dollars is their usability in everyday financial activities. From purchasing goods and services to engaging in charitable donations, this cryptocurrency is designed to function seamlessly within both online and offline environments. Merchants and service providers can integrate Trump dollars into their payment systems, offering customers a politically symbolic and technologically advanced way to transact. The currency's compatibility with existing payment platforms, such as mobile wallets and point-of-sale systems, ensures ease of use and accessibility. Furthermore, Trump dollars may incentivize adoption through loyalty programs and rewards, where users can earn additional tokens for frequent usage. This practical utility ensures that Trump dollars are not just a theoretical concept, but a functional currency capable of impacting real-world financial behavior. The security features of Trump dollars. Security is a cornerstone of any cryptocurrency, and Trump dollars are no exception. Leveraging advanced cryptographic techniques, this currency ensures that all transactions are secure and resistant to tampering. The decentralized nature of the blockchain prevents single points of failure, making it nearly impossible for hackers to compromise the network. Additionally, Trump dollars incorporate multi-signature wallets, which require multiple approvals before a transaction can be processed, adding an extra layer of protection for users. Anti-fraud mechanisms, such as real-time transaction monitoring and anomaly detection, further safeguard the currency against misuse. By prioritizing security, Trump dollars instill confidence among users, encouraging broader adoption and long-term trust in the system. The role of blockchain technology in Trump dollars. At the core of Trump dollars lies blockchain technology, a revolutionary system that ensures transparency, security, and decentralization. Blockchain serves as a distributed ledger that records all transactions in an immutable and verifiable manner. This technology eliminates the need for intermediaries, such as banks or financial institutions, reducing transaction costs and increasing efficiency. In the case of Trump dollars, the blockchain infrastructure ensures that every transaction is publicly accessible while maintaining user anonymity. Additionally, blockchain's consensus mechanisms, such as proof of stake or proof of work, prevent double spending and maintain the integrity of the network. The integration of smart contracts further expands the potential applications of Trump dollars, allowing automated and secure execution of agreements without third-party intervention. Political significance of Trump dollars. Trump dollars represent a unique intersection between technology and political ideology. Unlike other cryptocurrencies, which often remain neutral, Trump dollars explicitly align with a political movement. This alignment fosters a sense of community among supporters, encouraging them to adopt the currency as a symbol of their shared beliefs. Beyond individual usage, Trump dollars could play a significant role in campaign financing, enabling direct contributions to political causes without the barriers posed by traditional systems. Furthermore, the currency's ideological branding may influence public discourse, sparking debates about the role of cryptocurrencies in political fundraising and activism. As a financial tool rooted in political ideology, Trump dollars could set a precedent for other movements to create their own digital currencies, reshaping how politics and finance intersect. Risks and criticisms surrounding Trump dollars. While Trump dollars offer numerous benefits, they are not without risks and criticisms. One major concern is market volatility, as cryptocurrencies are notoriously prone to rapid price fluctuations. This instability may deter some users from adopting Trump dollars as a reliable store of value. Additionally, the political branding of the currency could polarize potential users, limiting its adoption to specific ideological groups. Critics may also question the transparency and regulatory compliance of the currency, particularly in the context of political contributions and anti-money laundering (AML) laws. Moreover, the decentralized nature of Trump dollars, while a strength, also poses challenges in terms of governance and accountability. Addressing these concerns will be essential for ensuring the long-term success and legitimacy of the currency. Adoption and future prospects of Trump dollars. The adoption of Trump dollars will depend on a combination of technological advancements, strategic partnerships, and user trust. Education and awareness campaigns will play a critical role in helping potential users understand the benefits and functionality of the currency. Partnerships with businesses, merchants, and financial platforms can expand the usability of Trump dollars, encouraging more widespread adoption. Looking ahead, the future of Trump dollars will likely involve continuous innovation, such as integrating with decentralized finance, DeFi, platforms, and exploring interoperability with other blockchain networks. If successfully implemented, Trump dollars could pioneer a new era of politically driven cryptocurrencies, influencing both the financial and political landscapes. The currency's success will ultimately depend on its ability to balance innovation, security, and usability, while addressing the concerns of critics and regulators. Legal and regulatory challenges for Trump dollars. As a politically branded cryptocurrency, Trump dollars face unique legal and regulatory 12. Legal and regulatory challenges for Trump dollars. As a politically branded cryptocurrency, Trump dollars face unique legal and regulatory challenges. Governments and financial institutions around the world are still adapting to the rapid rise of digital currencies, creating a complex and often unclear regulatory landscape. Trump dollars must navigate anti-money laundering, AML, and Know Your Customer, KYC, requirements to prevent illicit activities like money laundering and fraud. Additionally, its political alignment could invite heightened scrutiny from regulators concerned about transparency in campaign financing and political contributions. The decentralized nature of Trump dollars further complicates enforcement, as there is no central authority to oversee compliance. Addressing these legal challenges will be crucial for ensuring the legitimacy and long-term viability of the currency. Trump dollars and the evolution of decentralized finance, DeFi. Trump dollars could play a significant role in the burgeoning world of decentralized finance, DeFi, which seeks to create a financial ecosystem independent of traditional institutions. DeFi platforms offer services like lending, borrowing, and trading using blockchain technology, providing users with greater financial freedom and control. By integrating with DeFi platforms, Trump dollars could expand their utility beyond simple transactions, enabling users to participate in yield farming, staking, and liquidity pooling. This integration would make Trump dollars more appealing to tech-savvy users and crypto enthusiasts. Additionally, the political branding of Trump dollars could introduce a new demographic to DeFi, bridging the gap between ideological movements and financial innovation. Environmental concerns and sustainability of Trump dollars. Like many cryptocurrencies, Trump dollars face scrutiny regarding their environmental impact. Depending on the underlying blockchain technology, the energy consumption required for mining or transaction validation can be significant. For instance, proof-of-work systems, like Bitcoins, are notoriously energy-intensive, leading to concerns about their carbon footprint. To address these issues, Trump dollars could adopt more sustainable models like proof-of-stake, which significantly reduces energy consumption. Furthermore, initiatives such as carbon offset programs or partnerships with renewable energy providers could demonstrate a commitment to sustainability. Balancing environmental concerns with technological innovation will be essential for maintaining public trust and ensuring that Trump dollars align with broader societal values. Broader implications of politically branded cryptocurrencies. The emergence of Trump dollars highlights a broader trend: the potential for cryptocurrencies to align with specific ideologies or movements. This trend could fundamentally change the way people interact with digital currencies, creating a more personalized and community-driven financial landscape. Politically branded cryptocurrencies like Trump dollars may inspire other movements to develop their own tokens, fostering competition and innovation. However, this development also raises ethical questions about the role of money in politics and the potential for division within financial systems. If successful, Trump dollars could pave the way for a new era where digital currencies are not just financial tools, but also symbols of identity and belief, reshaping how we think about both technology and society. The world of cryptocurrency is evolving rapidly, and Trump dollars represent a fascinating intersection of technology, finance, and political ideology. Whether you're a seasoned crypto investor or a curious beginner, understanding the potential and challenges of politically branded cryptocurrencies is essential. Will Trump dollars redefine the future of decentralized finance? Can they overcome regulatory and environmental hurdles to create a sustainable, innovative currency? Dive deeper into this revolutionary concept and join the conversation shaping the future of money. Don't miss the chance to be part of this financial evolution. Like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more in-depth explorations of cutting-edge technologies and their impact on society. Share your thoughts in the comments below and let us know how you see the role of cryptocurrencies like Trump dollars in the future. Together, let's uncover the possibilities of this crypto revolution.
257 257 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 0